The successful motorization of window coverings depends on three important points. First, you must have the most current information in motorization. Secondly, you must have parts that are fabricated with the highest quality and are manufactured with precision, so there is no deviation in tolerances. And lastly, you must also deal with a reliable parts company that can supply you with the parts you need in a timely fashion, whether you need one part or 100. In short, you need Real Lift Systems. Real Lift Systems is a wholesale motorization and parts company with 20 years of experience in the field of motorization technology. And because we are a wholesale company, we sell only to the trades. Real Lift's AC and DC parts are fully patented and fill the needs of the most demanding applications in motorization today. Real Lift Systems not only focuses on lift systems, but they also design and manufacture one-of-a-kind parts. Real Lift Systems supplies parts to the motorization trade in four main categories: lift systems, headrails and tubes, crowns and drives, and miscellaneous parts. Let's take a look at each of these areas in greater detail. Real Lift parts have been tested in the field with a phenomenal success rate. Real Lift products were designed for use with both AC and DC motors. This interchangeability virtually eliminates the multiple size restrictions that are so common in the industry today. Our DC systems can motorize shades as small as 13 inches, and our AC lift systems can motorize the widest and heaviest shades available in today's market. Real Lift Systems has leveraged years of experience in the field to design a system that would raise and lower a shade completely level under the most adverse conditions and completely eliminate tangled cords. For example, if a shade using our lift system were to lower onto an object in its path, the motor would continue to run until it met its limit. If you remove the object and lower the shade with your hand to the sill, the system resets itself without the cords becoming entangled, jumping off a cone, or being caught on something inside the headrail. Because of its unique design, Real Lift parts easily fit several headrails, making fabrication fast and convenient. Real Lift Systems also ship well. As a result, this will make repairs and callbacks a thing of the past. We have developed two versions of our AC lift system. The standard version was specifically designed to fit the new Real Lift headrail, as well as the Rollease 2 1/4 by 2 inch aluminum headrail. And the high-profile version will fit the 2 1/4 inch by 2 inch metal headrail. Another unique Real Lift part is our exclusive center support. With our center support, you can motorize wide shades without experiencing any tube deflection. With our new Real Lift AC headrail, you will only need to stock one part to motorize any size cell shade on the market. All it takes is attaching the right cord guide. You are now sliding your shades right onto the headrail instead of having to attach two headrails together, and this will cut your production time in half. The headrail comes in 18-foot lengths for use on the widest shades. All of our mounting brackets are heavy duty and assure a solid installation. Our new 40mm tube is a drawn extrusion and will always have the right inside diameter for the Somfy 400 series motors. Have you spent several hours trying to figure out how to fit the Somfy LT28 into the new Silhouettes tube? With Real Lift's new crown and drive, you will be able to motorize your silhouettes in the new tube faster and easier than ever before. The Real Lift Vignette Crown and Drive allows you to adapt the Somfy LT28 to a vignette in half the time of other systems. Real Lift's exclusive snap-in grommets protect your cords by lining your pre-drilled holes with a smooth surface. Our grommets are pennies apiece when compared to using expensive grommet equipment. Besides using our 1-inch spring clips as part of our lift system, we have found many different uses for them when motorizing window coverings that are best suited to the 1-inch tube. The end cap for the DC headrail cannot be purchased from the original manufacturer unless it is part of a clutch set. Real Lift Systems offers our end cap as a service to the industry and as an integral part of our DC lift system. Real Lift Systems is constantly evaluating new shades for motorization, and its patent portfolio makes them a leader in the field of motorization technology. When it's time to motorize your shades, Real Lift Systems parts are the only solution. Real Lift Systems, motorization solutions for window coverings.